Have you ever experienced where you had some amazing ideas coming in that really excited you and you really wanted to take action on it, but then you didn't for whatever reason? Or the opposite, have you gotten the idea and you felt excited about it and you did take the action on it, but then you didn't get the results that you thought you would be getting, that you were hoping for? Now, if you ever experienced anything like that, it doesn't mean that you did anything wrong or anything like that. It simply means that your masculine and feminine energies may have been out of balance. Because when one energy is more intense than the other, then there is an imbalance there that then can cause an imbalance of you not getting the results that you want. So if that's you, then this video is for you, because I was guided to share a powerful light language activation with you to really help you balance both your masculine and feminine energies to really be in balance, to be equal, so you can really go about your life and create the life that you want in balance and in harmony. So if that's you, then stay tuned, because you don't want to miss this powerful activation. Hello there, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm super excited that you're here. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Kay Sanders. I'm a divine messenger and celestial healer, here to assist awakening souls on their spiritual awakening journey so they can really awaken more gracefully, step into their power, and create the life that they want with more success, abundance, freedom, all while making a bigger impact in the world. Now, if that's you, if you are on your spiritual awakening journey, and if you're new to my channel, I want to invite you, please be sure to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I release new content. So let's talk real quick about the difference between masculine and feminine energy, and why is it so important to really be in balance. Because feminine energy is all about allowing, receiving, creativity and ideas. So usually your feminine side is the side that gets those amazing ideas that really feel exciting. But then the masculine energy is the energy of doing, of taking action, of moving forward, of basically executing your idea. Now, if there's an imbalance in there, so let's say your feminine energy, your feminine side is more advanced, then you get all these ideas that feel really, really great. And you really want to take action, but then the execution is missing. You don't take actions. Now, on the opposite, if your masculine side is more developed, more advanced, then you do a lot of stuff. Now, you may get the actions, you may get the ideas, but you're more in doing mode, in execution mode, but you're not allowing yourself to receive the results. So that's why it's important that we balance both sides, because when your feminine side is balanced with the masculine side, then you get the ideas and then the masculine side executes it. But then the feminine side allows the execution to bring the results, right? So both sides need to be in harmony, or otherwise you just constantly get ideas but no action, or you do the action but you don't get the results because you're not allowing it. Because feminine energy is really about really allowing things to unfold. And oftentimes it's really, a lot of people are more developed on the masculine side, because that's what we're taught, right? You got to do. You got to do this strategy and that strategy. You got to do this and this and this to create more success in your life, more abundance, more freedom, whatever. But when it comes to, and that's where like the manifesting part kind of gets a little tricky, it's about the allowing. And that's the feminine side. You got to allow yourself to receive. If you don't allow yourself to receive, if you haven't really developed your feminine side to really just sit back and receive, once you have taken the action, once you have really done the soul-inspired actions, then you got to sit back and you got to receive. Now, I'm not saying you just have the idea and then you just sit there and let the universe have it drop into your lap. Now, it has to be, both sides need to work together. So the masculine side then needs to take the soul-inspired actions, but then the feminine side needs to then allow it to unfold. So let's just move into the light language, because we want to really balance that out, to really create that harmony between both sides, so you can get the ideas, take the actions on it, and also allow yourself to receive. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, so if you can please put both feet on the ground if you can just tune into your heart, just take a deep breath and breathe in light and love. And as you're breathing out, just drop into your heart, close your eyes, and just really get centered in the here and now. Now you may take another deep breath in and really breathe in light and love, and allow yourself to be filled with this loving, white, beautiful light, filling every fiber of your being from the inside out. And allow yourself to feel heavy on the surface that you're sitting on. Feeling grounded into Mother Earth. Imagine having roots coming out of your feet, going deep, 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 deep down into Mother Earth. We just want to ground ourselves in the here and now right now, so we can open ourselves up to receiving this light language transmission. Because when we're not centered, we're not open. And for this, we want to be open to receive. So just allow yourself to connect deeply with Mother Earth. You may even say hello to Mother Earth. And let her say hello back to you. Imagine having her send loving light from down below up into your feet and filling your entire body from down below. You may also connect with Father Sky up above. Imagine going up out of your head, down into, up into the sky. Connecting with Father Sky, you may also say hello to Father Sky. And allow him to respond in love by sending down his loving white light down up onto your head and down into your body, filling your body with this white light from up above and down below, meeting the center within your heart, the center of your soul, the seat of your soul. And now just allow yourself to be open to receiving this light language transmission, because it's to your highest and greatest good. Now I ask to be surrounded by 100,000 angels, ascended masters, spirit guides, and beings of the light that can best support us now. Please step forward and connect with us now. Please uplift us so we may open ourselves up to receiving this light code transmission. And we ask for assistance to balance both parts equally, our feminine and masculine sides. Please remove any interferences that could cause any imbalance. And please assist us in creating harmony between the both, where they equally shining brightly in balance. And please activate both to the fullest that we are now able. And please activate both sides to the fullest that we are now available and ready for. And so it is. Kunas tukrushti inna kaahalle ishtura. Nuku umanakatan nukurushtana atehi. Tuku ulaha nuraha asturahata anitu urahata. Nuku ula nate titura nan kutuuna ata. Nuku ushtana ate. Tukutu urahana kata ahati iti ikitu ura ata. No utala ane itu urashta ane. Nuku ula huma al enuta las turashtene eti itu uhu. Nuku ura na ata aha. Tu uhu na sta ati iku uhu na ata aha. Nuku uhu ula ana ata ahati itu urahata ana. Nu uta anua testa urashta ele eti. Nuku tu ura na atene etu uhu tu una. It is safe to receive. It is safe to allow yourself to step into the flow of allowing. Release any fears, any doubts, as you are able, ready, and capable of allowing yourself to embrace your feminine side to the fullest, to allow, to receive. To ura ashtana kira ura ate ete uhura anakade ete uhuka. Tuku uhu na ate ete iku uhushta anna ata. Numana alet kira ura kate ete ura atashta ati itu urata. Nuku una na hu ola shten uhakate ehe. Nuku tu uku ura anna ati itu ku una ata ate itu uhuta. Now we wish to call forth your masculine side. And to activate that side within you, to not just always do, but also to step aside, to allow. Ku ura anakata ate ete itu uraish natata ti itu urahata. Nukutu ura anata ate eheti itu urata. Creating this partnership between the both equally in harmony. Ku ura kata ete itu ushta anata ate ete itu ura. Nukudu ura anate etu uhu uta ana ata. Tukuru uta aha ana etu ura ana ati itu ura ata. Uta ana ati nur haasta ana kate ehe. Nukudu uta ana ati ihi tu ura ata. We wish to invite you that whenever you receive a divine idea, a divine download, and you are unsure of how to proceed, to tune within your heart and to call forth your masculine side and ask for its assistance in taking the right soul-inspired actions to move forward, to work in harmony with this side. And the same applies if you are taking action and you're not seeing results, to then tune in and consult with your feminine side, to ask for your feminine side's assistance in releasing the barriers to you allowing to receive. This is a partnership between the two sides. Not one side is more advanced than the other, but no, now they are equal in balance. Ku urashte ni kudu urakte et ura ate e huuka aha ate. Nukuru na atle na ate et ura stara ate inukra atushtana. Nukudu ura ana ate hit uhu kata akata ate inukra aha te ehe iti. Nuku ushtana ata ani itu ura ana ate ehe. Nuku ura na ala ahate iti itu ura sturashta. Nukudu ura ana ate itu ura takare enu ushta. Nakari ita nahate itu urashta. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. Now you may take a deep breath in and anchor in this energy. And when you're ready, you may open up your eyes. Now, what a beautiful light language transmission. Now, as the guide shared with you throughout this transmission, is to, whenever you have an idea, to really consult with your masculine side to make sure that you are receiving its support in taking actions. If you're the person that usually gets a lot of ideas but don't act on it, then really consult with your masculine side to ask for its support. But then also the other side, like let's say you're someone that gets an idea, always acts, but doesn't really get the results, then here you may then tune into your feminine side and really ask for its support to allow, because you can have both. You can have the great ideas and then take the action on it, and then also, of course, okay, then this is the third part, then allow yourself to receive even more than what you are even can imagine, whatever you want, or something even better. But it's really about coming together, like the guide shared about the partnership. That's really the big key here, because it's easy to just slip into just imagining and ideas and writing ideas down or whatnot, but then not acting on it because maybe there's some fear behind it or whatnot. Or then the other side as well, where you just constantly do, but you don't allow yourself to receive. And here I want to also invite you, if you are experiencing it, maybe tune in to find out what is the cause behind it, because usually we don't act because out of fear, or we don't allow because maybe we don't feel deserving or ready or good enough or whatnot. So if you do experience that, I want to invite you to dig a little deeper to uncover what is the root cause behind it. Now you have been now activated to really find that balance between the two. Now you can re-listen to this light language transformation whenever you feel off balance. You can re-listen to that. And also I want to invite you to check out a video that I released about how to overcome your ego and really stand in your power, because oftentimes those fears and the doubts and not taking action, it's also because your ego doesn't let you. So if you feel that your ego is often in the driver's seat and not you, and you really want to take action, you really want to move forward, then it might be that it is your ego. So I put the link of the video in the description below. Check it out. It's really about overcoming your ego and really stepping into your power on a daily basis so you can create the life that you want, the success, the abundance, whatever it is that you want. But I really hope you enjoyed this light language transmission. If you did, do me a favor, hit the like button and maybe leave a comment below. Let me know if you experienced that inner shift of that inner balance, or maybe you saw something or experienced something. I would love to know what you experienced, and just please feel free to leave a comment below. But also thank you so much for being here and for tuning in, for allowing me to share this light language with you. I really hope you enjoyed it. And be sure to check out that video about overcoming your ego. I think you're going to love it. And I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Until then, make an amazing, abundant, successful day. Namaste.